Good morning. Today we have this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 crew cab LTZ package with the Duramax Diesel. This is a great truck. This is in the Glacier blue metallic. Of course, the LTZs will have mostly chrome grills on the front, very little body color on the front. This one does have front and rear park assist, and the chips are actually in this model. The only thing missing on this one is the vented seat driver front cushions on the front. They will be put on later. Let's get an overview of this vehicle. It does have the power assist steps with the adjustment. Show how that works real quick. Just as an example, I just open the door, any of them, to make these steps come out, and as you can, I'll zoom in, you'll see a little button right there. I'll try to kick it at the same time. Super nice feature. I'll just close the doors back and it will go right back in. This has the rear wheelhouse liners in the back as well. They've been on national back order, still are. This particular one has it. Of course, good view of their dual exhaust outlets. This one does have a power up and down tailgate. One of two tailgates you can get on this vehicle. The other one is the multi-flex tailgate. So good view of the power outlet, and as well as your lights inside. Just gonna just barely touch it and it'll go right back up. Also has a place for the extra cameras, your inside camera, and of course your camera behind, as well as your 7-pin connection. There's a good view of that sliding back window. Just have that. Go in the back. The outboard seats are heated. You have a USB-C and USB there, as well as plenty of storage here. And your armrest is right there. And as you can see, this one has the power sunroof as well. Good view of those doors. And this is an LTZ model. Equipped with the Bose stereo, dual power seats. I don't know why they're always up like that when I get in these trucks. Better view of the sunroof. Large screen. We'll go inside, show more about that. Now we're back in. These are all the views that you have on this model. If you notice, you got quite a bit of them. You can move the cameras to where you want. Front and rear. You can check out your tires and make sure you don't hit something. Your trailer view for your hitch. And you can't really tell. I'll try to zoom in a little bit. These are grayed out. That's because those auxiliary cameras are not installed. And of course all your touchscreen, your audio, your Google Maps is here. Just have to hit a couple disclaimers there to go to settings. And you got quick buttons, your trailer button here. That's going to bring you up to add new trailer. You can customize everything on the screen, as well as your phone, your music, and this will go back home, as well as this button here. That'll just take you back. This one does have lane departure warning, lane keep assist. Parking sensors are working. That's your auto stop, turns that on. Anything orange is on. That's your tailgate. Hazards, stability traction control, hill descent control, and of course this button puts all the windows down at the same time. Right below there you have your power button to start the truck, your trailer brake controller, all your ventilated and heated seat controls, as well as driver climate control and passenger climate control for the front. Transmission on this one, I turned that fan up too much. Transmission on this one is a console shift. If you get the bench seats, you can also get the column shift up here. When you get the console shift, you get these buttons here for shifting, paddle shifters there. Wireless charging, an extra power outlet here. an additional USB-C and USB, and a pretty deep area with a lighted storage compartment. I like this little tray. And of course over here, your large screen for your driver information center in the middle, and your driving modes. The driving modes are there, and how you adjust it is with this. And that just changes what mode. You'll draw a little picture of the truck animating. Most of the time you're going to be in normal. Same thing with the tow haul mode, it's also down here. When you push this button, this is good when you're towing. It's going to draw a little picture of the truck pulling something. And of course, parking brake is here. You got a 2-speed transfer case right here. And right here is going to be your lights for the pedal lamps, and your fog lights are here down below. And of course your mirrors, they do power fold in with this button here. That power folds them in. Nothing to it. I'm gonna have the window sticker up next. Here's a good view of the window sticker. It just shows you what is on this truck. You do have a 5-year, 100,000-mile warranty on the powertrain on the diesels, and it goes for 2500s as well. Try to zoom in a little bit, show you all the goodies it has. Feel free to pause the video if there's something you want to look at close up, because there is quite a bit of goodies on here. And there you go. Shows all the goods on there. $65,650 is the MSRP. We're not doing adjustments on these 1500s. There's your mileage here. All right. If this vehicle interests you, go to buywithbenny.com. This is the only Glacier Blue metallic one we have. We do have a couple High Country still available, a black and a pearl white. Let me know which one you're looking for. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and have a wonderful day.